Welcome to the Rothwell 29, part of Carlisle Homes' luxurious Affinity collection, now on display at Woodlea Estate in Aintree. This stunning single-storey home redefines modern living with its innovative design and thoughtful features, including the debut of Carlisle's raked ceiling option. This architectural element elevates the central living and dining areas into a bright and airy space filled with natural light. The raked ceiling is more than just a design feature, it's an experience. It echoes the elegance of Carlisle's iconic double-storey atrium designs by amplifying natural light and creating an expansive sense of space. This innovative touch adds a luxurious and timeless feel to the Rothwell 29. From the outside, the Rothwell 29 makes a striking first impression with its auburn Hebel facade and raised roof lines, offering a contemporary look that stands out on the streetscape. Inside, the Rothwell 29 is thoughtfully designed for modern family living. The open-plan kitchen, meals and living areas flow seamlessly into a large alfresco, creating the ideal setting for entertaining or unwinding. The kitchen itself is a chef's dream, featuring an oversized island bench and a deluxe walk-in pantry, perfect for hosting or for everyday convenience. The home's layout ensures every family member has their own space to relax. A secluded kids zone features spacious bedrooms, a bathroom and a dedicated study nook, while the indulgent master suite offers a private retreat complete with a luxurious ensuite, spa and walk-in robe. The theatre room adds another layer of comfort for movie nights or quiet evenings. The raked ceilings in the central living zone make a bold visual statement and offer incredible design flexibility. Whether it's tall furniture, statement artwork, or modern light fixtures, these elevated spaces provide endless opportunities for personalization and style. Carlisle Homes' commitment to better floor plans means that every home is designed to maximize the orientation of your block and offer incredible flexibility to your needs. Whether you're looking to add an additional master suite, extend the meals or alfresco area, or customize other spaces, the Rothwell 29 is a perfect canvas to bring your vision to life. Visit Woodlea Estate in Aintree to experience the Rothwell 29 for yourself and see how Carlisle Homes combines elegance, functionality, and innovation to elevate your living experience.